Guys, and today we will be building. Wait. Start to build a skateboard out of Lego brick box 10696. Use these pieces. Pause the video if you couldn't see it. So we're gonna move to the next. Okay, so we take these 3 pieces, put this like this, put this, complete the first one, heading to the second one. Okay, the second one, so use these pieces to like this, then this here, okay, good, not like that, too hard to place in. Oh my god, too hard to handle. Okay guys, something like this. And look. And then you take this black piece here and put it right here. Next pieces are these. You just put them around here. Put these here. And lastly, these wheels. Okay, so you guys know, I'll just skip it, okay? As you see, the skateboard is done. We complete it. Yeah, obviously. But anyways, if you enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe and share the videos on the notifications and like the video. Bye bye.